welcome to our vlog. Lyla can't talk right now, but that's okay. We can educate people on why. Yeah. Why don't you tell them why? Oh, Ariel, we need to find Ursula. Oh my god, I'm so good at reading. At the beach. And we're gonna go find Ursula so that Lyla can get her voice back. Let's pray. You got it back last night, I remember. Wait, when I woke up randomly last night, you like said something to me. We got back. It was raining on us. We're inverted on this camera, but it's fine. This is our filming camera. Here, I'll flip it. This is Lyla. We're at the bay or the beach. It's raining outside, but we're gonna get ready to go to dinner in a second. So we're gonna get ready and. Oh, we rode bikes in the rain. We went shopping, we went to the beach, we rode bikes. We're productive queens, even though that's like a first for us. So, we're gonna go shower and we'll see you later. How do I record? Oh, hey! It's Lyla and Ava, and this is my chair. Check it. Yeah, get it good. Oh. Cute. I'll do Lila's fit. Let me get your fit. Okay, I started the video again. Show off your fit. Do a fit check. Okay, fit check. Okay. And there's Lila's camera. Cute. Okay, anyways, this is just our little vlog so that it's like an update. So we're gonna go to TJ Maxx now. Peace out. We're going to see Frog.
Going off.
I'm gonna get the best ice cream.
Spot. I need to go in your hotspot.
Go on to a freaking hotspot.
I need to talk to Coraline. We lost her.
Let me.
A lot to say. Okay, it was amazing.
Look at my he smokes. Do you see that? My hair's not actually that short. It's longer. Oh, it's not that much longer.
Who is this?
It's Zach. You broke out. Would you like to speak to Ava again?
Yes, let me talk to Ava.
Coraline, we never broke up, and all the things Zach was saying were lies.
Your name is Ava. She knows that.
Are we still together?
Of course. Baby, I missed you so much. I love you.
Okay, so what you need to say. Lila's here. She's listening.
Okay, Lyla, listen up. I think you're really annoying. You're not as good as me in any way. To be.
Wait, why
No
is
one
she saying
actually
that?
wants to be
She
around.
hates Lyla.
Even people who do.